Hi there, welcome to our video, just a short instructional video on how to fit cable retainers to any bed, any profiling bed. The purpose of these is to keep cables off the floor so they're not getting caught in hoists and reduce the risk of accidents. So the cable retainer itself looks like this, and it comes with a cable tie. Cable tie just goes through the short little hole at the top, like so, and it's ready to fit. So I'll show you where to position them on the bed. Most important thing, it must fit to the frame of the bed, which is a non-moving part, not to the backrest, not to the leg rest, but to the actual frame of the bed itself. So follow me down to the bed and I'll show you where they go. So we have a pump at the bottom. The cable currently is dangling on the floor. We need to keep this off the floor, so I'm going to take up the slack from the front of the bed and I'm going to fit this into the centre. So either of these two bars in the middle, which are non-moving parts, we ignore the moving part at the back and the front, basically pop the cable tie around the frame, tie it together, and you want it so that the actual retainer itself is sitting underneath the bed. I'll show you that again in a second. The second one, we normally recommend you use two. You can use three and put one at the front of the bed if you want, but if you have one in the centre and one at the back, so again, just under the frame of the bed that doesn't move, cable tie on the top, and the actual clip, as you can see there, underneath. So just tie that on there. We can clip this short afterwards. So now, to get the cable through, I'm going to put the bed rail up for you, and if we can get the camera to kind of zoom in underneath, we're going to take the cable, and all we need to do with this is actually squeeze. If we press up and pull it forward, it will open like so. Cable goes in, squeeze it back together, and there's your cable off the floor. We do the same at this end, so squeeze to release, cable goes in, squeeze it back together, and the cable goes behind the bed there. All the cables off the floor, no risk of hoists or staff members or any equipment getting caught on the cables there. So 2 is ideal, 3 if you want to be over the top and put one at the front as well. Any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call here at Harvest. Alternatively, the instruction manual will show you how to do this as well with photos. Thanks for watching.